thanks for coming back to the channel. If you're watching this today, you're either A, subscriber, or B, interested in buying one of the two products we're going to be reviewing here. Now these products, just really quick reviews, pretty much recommend both of them. And without further ado, let's check them out.
Alright, product review time. Today we're working on a, let me get over here, the original Cal Custom Super Horn. And what happened was, I got it, it's probably 30 something years old, sitting in the box. It was brand new, and I put it in the van, and I played about 10 different notes, and then that's this original one right there, and the horn died. So I was like, oh man, this really stinks. So I jumped on the webs, and I found this, let me focus in here a little bit. Found this horn, which is a high frequency tweeter, like a PA style, and it was probably under 20 bucks. This is it right here. Hooked up the wiring to it. Now it went from doing nothing. Let me lay this here. They call that a victory. It's pretty loud too, 250 watts. So, all right, high frequency tweeter, part number NTX-5700ALG, highly recommended. And that's about it. Hit the like button. This is Cross Country Garage, and subscribe.
Okay, here we go. The Autool GPS speedometer. How much was this, Kevin?
About $20 something on eBay.
Autool. All right, well, here, you take the camera, I'll drive.
All right. All I did was plug this baby in and did nothing, and
Is it on yet?
Doing nothing. Maybe.
We're gonna have to pick up the signal, and it's a cloudy day.
We got bad signal in this area.
We don't even have cell phone service, but maybe we gotta be going forward.
Pause 1 second here. Well, it don't matter. We're going backwards.
We're moving
forwards. We're moving.
We might have to default to the directions.
Yeah.
Although my GPS unit isn't working either. I think it's just the day. Maybe when we get out on 539. Right now, they should say around 40.
Alright, what do I do? Hit this?
Okay, keep going.
Alright.
There's a speedometer on this.
Alright. We're at 0 right now. And 0. See how these go. It's gonna get up to a consistent speed here.
Yeah, we'll just hit 45. Are they linking up at the same time? Because I can't see them.
They're within a few mile an hour, but I suppose it's gonna. We're gonna have to get a consistent speed, and then it'll catch up. Right now, this unit's saying 39, and the GPS is saying 42. And
I just hit the cruise control at 45.
45.
Roughly.
GPS says 45. This says 42. So right now we're about 3 miles an hour difference.
Should be holding steady around 45.
Not a big deal.
Gives you a ballpark.
It's a good ballpark, and for the price, right?
What was it, 25 bucks?
Like, yeah, 20 something dollars. So, hey, I'll do some math during the day, and it's much better than speeding tickets, right?
If I can chop off 7% in your head, you're good.
So, right now we're at 42 miles an hour. It says 47 or 48.
10% off? Okay.
Yeah, it's gaining, but it's also a very overcast day. I'm not sure if that has anything to do with it. But the reason I have this speedometer is not because I'm trying to calibrate anything, thank God. It's because I don't want to drive around and get tickets in my vehicle that doesn't have a working speedometer right now due to my transmission change. So if you're within a few miles an hour off, typically cops are not going to give you a ticket for that. So this is a mini success for me.
For a price point.
For price point, yeah, absolutely.
I'll be putting one of these in the buggy.
Yep, we will be using these on maybe a future project as well.